Today we'll be painting on a 10 by 10 inch canvas using acrylic paints in the colors Holiday Green, Leaf Green, White, Flamingo Pink, Bright Red, Canary Yellow, and Black. So gather your paints and materials and then have your child or student follow along with this step-by-step video as I teach them how to paint. Let's get started. We're going to begin by dipping a wide, flat brush into our leaf green. Now, paint a green arch from the top left corner down to the bottom right corner. It's going to look sort of like a green rainbow. Go over this arch until it's about 1 inch thick. This will be the watermelon rind. Take the same brush and dip it into the holiday green or whatever dark green you have on hand. Hold the brush sideways this time, or you can switch to a thinner brush if you like, and trace the outside of that lime green arch. This dark green line will be the skin of the watermelon. Next, take a clean flat brush and load it with bright red. Starting in the lower left corner, begin filling in that area with bright red. Stop painting about halfway between the corner and the light green line. You should have sort of a rounded triangle. Using the same brush, dip into your flamingo pink and then paint a thick line just outside of the red. Then quickly, while both colors are still wet, drag your brush over the line where the red and pink meet. This is called blending. As you can see, now your watermelon goes from dark red to light red. Take another clean brush and begin filling in the rest of the area with white. Now, do the same thing you did between the red and pink. Begin blending the colors of the lines so that now your watermelon goes from red to light red to pink to white, just like a real watermelon. Grab another brush and then begin blending the white into the green. If the color gets too light, you can always go back in with a bit more green and then blend again. Now it's time to fill in our background. Dip a clean brush into canary yellow and paint in the rest of your canvas. I like to fill in the large parts with a large brush, then I switch to a small brush for the narrow areas, like where the yellow meets the green. Finally, it's time to add our watermelon seeds. Start by dipping a thin brush into some black paint. Add a dot everywhere you want a seed to be placed. Then, go back and round out each dot until it's a tiny circle. And then bring that down to a point. Each seed should look like a little black teardrop. Do this for all the other seeds. Now, step back and take a look at what you've accomplished. Wasn't that easy? See, you can paint anything as long as you break it down into simple steps. And here's our watermelon painting hanging on a wall. Doesn't it look great? I think it's the perfect way to say goodbye to summer and say hello to fall.